Alright, here's my Chapter 5 lab assignment. Exercise 1 asked us to write an insert statement that adds this row to the categories table, brass. Code the insert statement so MySQL automatically generates the category ID column. Back here's the insert statement. The insert statement allows us to add a row to a specified table, in this case it's categories. And here's the column name, and the values that we're adding to that row is brass. Number 2 asks us to write an update statement that modifies the row you just added to the categories table. This statement should change the category name column to woodwinds, and it should use the category ID column to identify the row. Alright, here's the update statement. We use that to modify data in the tables. In this case is the categories table. Here we're setting the category name to woodwinds and using the category ID here and the where clause to identify the row. Moving on, here's number 3. Write an insert statement that adds this row to the products table. And we're adding all these rows with all this information corresponding to each one. And here's the insert statement to the products table. And here are the columns, and here are every corresponding information. The products ID is left out, so we could use the default value here. Moving on to number 4. Write a delete statement that deletes the row that you added to the categories table in exercise 1. When you execute this statement, it will produce an error since the category has related rows in the products table. To fix that, proceed the delete statement with another delete statement that deletes all the products in this category. Alright, here's question 4. We use the delete from clause to delete a certain row from the categories table. And in this case is brass, but it's supposed to delete this row, but the question says that we should get an error statement. I didn't get an error statement, but I proceeded to delete it from the products table as well. Thank you.